टॉप टियर रैंकिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए आपको एक रोबस्ट प्रोफाइल की ज़रूरत है और यूनिवर्सिटी आपको सारी उसके अंदर जो फाइनेंशियल नॉन फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है वो प्रोवाइड करेगी एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन क्लब इफ़ इट इज़ ऑलरेडी नॉट बीइंग ऑफर्ड बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी। अगर एक H1 का सर्टिफिकेट आपकी ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल के अंदर हो, इट कैन हेल्प यू स्टैंड आउट फ्रॉम ऑल द अदर students which would be applying for that particular universities that you are dreaming to get into। आपकी जो अच्छी लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स हैं, उसके अंदर इंटेलेक्चुअल ब्रिलियंट होने के साथ साथ आपको इमोशनल और इंटेलिजेंस और इमोशनल वेलबींग भी चाहिए होती है। सो योर प्रोफाइल वुड हेल्प यू स्टैंड आउट एंड गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू। Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of RFI Elite. This video series is directed towards giving you important information about top tier university admissions and the mission of RFI Elite. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shan Ali and I'm working as the CEO and project director of RFI Elite. At RFI Elite, our mission is to empower students by providing them unparalleled support so that we can place them into some of the top tier universities in the world and give them the support that they require to achieve their aspirations and their ambitions. जो सबसे पहली चीज़ होती है किसी भी स्टूडेंट के लिए किसी टॉप टियर यूनिवर्सिटी में प्लेस होने के लिए, दैट इज़ देयर ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल। However, there are certain steps that the students need to follow when they are looking towards admission into the top 100 or 200 universities around the globe. Be it the prestigious Ivy League of the USA or the Russell Group of UK or G8 Australia or any other university in Canada, Hong Kong, China, Malaysia, Singapore, irrespective of their prestigious state, टॉप टियर रैंकिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए आपको एक रोबस्ट प्रोफाइल की ज़रूरत है। सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू व्हाट मेक्स द यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सेप्ट अ टॉप टियर स्टूडेंट। अब जिस तरह हमने पहले बात की है कि देयर आर 4 एस्पेक्ट्स विच आर नेसेसरी व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ टॉप टियर यूनिवर्सिटी और व्हेन यू आर एमिंग स्कॉलरशिप इनटू अ टॉप स्कूल anywhere around the globe, especially in the USA. So number 1 are your academic grades. आपके grades, be it in intermediate, be it in A levels and O levels, be it in your any level 3 BTech course or even in GED, which is American High School Certification. Yes, you can also opt for 100% scholarships by doing any of these courses. So academic abilities, number 1, आपकी अच्छी percentage होनी चाहिए. Number 2 are your standardized testing scores. For masters, you would require GRE exam. For undergrad admissions and Common App, you would require the SAT score. और इन SAT टेस्ट्स और GRE के अंदर अच्छा स्कोर जो है वो आपको चाहिए to get admitted into a top tier university. The third aspect would be the supplemental essays, which we have covered through a separate video, जिसके अंदर you can dive deep into what supplemental essays are all about. But when we talk about undergrad admissions and Common App, you will need supplemental essays. When we talk about master admissions and the other admissions into the other countries around the globe, like USA, like UK, Canada और Australia और the other universities, तो आपको आपकी statement of purpose या personal statements required होती हैं. And the fourth thing that you would need, which has equal weightage, is your well-rounded overall profile. So 25% is covered by your academic grades, 25% is covered by your supplemental essays or personal statements, 25% is covered by your standardized testing, be it SAT, GRE or other linguistic tests like IELTS, PT, Duolingo, LanguageCert, whatever tests that the university has according to their eligibility criteria. Generally जो है universities वो acquire करती हैं IELTS को या PTE को linguistic tests में, which are applicable and acceptable all around the globe. अब 75% प्रोफाइल जो है वो ओवरऑल कवर हो गया, बट द रेस्ट ऑफ 25% वुड बी कवर्ड बाय अ रोबस्ट एंड स्टैंड आउट प्रोफाइल. सो प्रोफाइल के अंदर क्या क्या होता है? अब एक जो कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर अगर आप एडमिशन लेना चाह रहे हैं तो, और अगर आप किसी भी टॉप टियर यूनिवर्सिटी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, बी इट इन UK, USA, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और एनीवेयर अराउंड द ग्लोब, and if you're targeting especially 100% scholarship, then you also should stand out amongst the crowd through your प्रोफाइल, क्योंकि एकेडमिक ग्रेड सबके होंगे, एसएटी और जीआरई स्कोर्स भी अगेन बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स होंगे विच कैन टेक दो स्कोर. इसके अलावा सप्लीमेंटल एसेज एंड पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट्स वुड ऑल्सो बी drafted in a good way by many students. But one thing that can make you stand out from the crowd, one thing that can get you into that 2% or 3% who not only get into the top tier universities but also get more than 100% scholarships. Yes, they could also get accommodation and their living expenses covered by the university as well. So the university can also cover your tuition fee along with your living expenses and pay you monetary benefits as well. So your profile would help you stand out and get that particular spot that you are looking forward to. Now, what things an overall profile would have? Let's talk about these aspects one by one. Number one is your internships. तो जो भी आप कोर्स करने चाह रहे हैं, अगर आप फिज़िक्स का कोर्स करने जा रहे हैं, रोबोटिक्स के अंदर इंटरेस्टेड हैं, मशीन लर्निंग के अंदर इंटरेस्टेड हैं, बिजनेस कोर्सेज के अंदर इंटरेस्टेड हैं, या आप अकाउंटेंसी या फाइनेंस के प्रोफेशंस के अंदर काम करना चाह रहे हैं, आप बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स या एक्चुअल साइंसेस के अंदर जाना चाह रहे हैं, आप आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन या फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर काम करना चाह रहे हैं, वॉट एवर thing that you are interested, whatever course that you're interested, you should give overall glimpse into your CV and into your profile through internships, which give you hands-on experience in your field of interest. It would demonstrate your commitment and your zeal towards gaining practical skills that would help you gain that placement, and that would help you boost your profile and your CV. The second thing is your community service. अब कम्युनिटी सर्विस एक ऐसा एस्पेक्ट है जिसके अंदर जो आप पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते हैं सोसाइटी के अंदर, एंड इट इज़ वन थिंग दैट इज़ हाईली वैल्यूड बाय द एडमिशन कमेटी ऑफ not only top tier universities but any university around the globe. So you can help in education of the underprivileged. You can go and do any society or community project. You can help engage yourself within a project with an NGO. आप कुछ भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं जो आपको कम्युनिटी सर्विस के अंदर इंक्लूड करवा दे. Another thing that you can look forward to is doing any extracurricular activities, be it sports, be it arts, be it taking part in a club that the school is offering. It could be for the stray animals protection. It could be a philanthropist activity. It could be another fundraising campaign. या कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ जो कि आपको ना सिर्फ आपके इंटरेस्ट को हाईलाइट कर सकती है बल्कि आपको वो लीडरशिप स्किल्स भी दे सकती हैं विच द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. Another positive impact of this is that if you are already part of a club which is doing all of these activities, you can go and take part of such clubs in the university. If the club is being offered by the university, very good, you can be part of it. You can be the leader of that club. If not, then even better. You can go to the university and you can put up a request, and trust me, the US universities would help you design your own sort of things that you can develop your own club with. और यूनिवर्सिटी आपको सारी उसके अंदर जो फाइनेंशियल नॉन फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है वो प्रोवाइड करेगी, एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन क्लब इफ इट इज़ already not being offered by the university. So this is also an interactive thing once you get into an international university. Another important aspect of your overall profile is your public speaking skills. So you would take part into several workshops into your profile which would not only develop your speaking skills but you would also develop your formal writing skills. अब आपकी जो speaking skills हैं वो आपको help करेंगी in outperforming other students in several public speaking events, be it different declamation events or MUN, Model United Nation events, parliamentary debates, or any other event which is related to public speaking. You could take part in some of the prestigious MUNs which are being offered locally by some of the leading schools which are more focused on developing the students which are from a K-12 background or from a higher secondary school background. अब इसके अंदर जो सबसे prestigious event है वो H1 होता है, and you can also take part in H1 Dubai and H1 Boston USA, which are being held in January 2025. And Edify Elite is also offering comprehensive package to take you to achieve your dreams in these particular events. अगर एक H1 का सर्टिफिकेट आपकी ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल के अंदर हो, it can help you stand out from all the other students which would be applying for that particular universities that you are dreaming to get into. अब हावर्ड मन के अलावा अगर हम पाकिस्तान के अपने एमियंस की बात करें, सो देर आर ऑल्सो मेनी इवेंट्स. आई कैन गिव यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ 3 to 4 इवेंट्स. आई एम नॉट हेयर टू give you an overall insight about these events or talk about particular events. But अगर हम बात करें तो लम्स Lumen, HSN Atman, Yanastka, Naiman are good MEN events which you can take पार्ट. या इसके अलावा भी जो कोई भी स्कूल्स हैं जो कि अपनी स्कूल की विसिनिटी के अंदर एमियंस करवाते हैं, यू कैन टेक पार्ट इन दोज एमियंस एज वेल एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेट योर ग्लोबल अवेयरनेस. इसके अलावा यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक पार्ट इन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ विच इंगेज यू in international and local travels. You can enhance your cultural awareness and cultural appreciation. You can showcase your adaptability, and through visiting different attractions, you can not also engage in activities at different places which will enhance your overall profile, but be part of a multi-ethnical and multicultural environment. इसके अलावा एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट आपकी प्रोफाइल का जो है वो होता है environmental stewardship. Sustainability is something that the whole world is concerned about nowadays. Global warming and other issues are there, and they are on top of amongst those issues which the whole world is concerned about nowadays. So जो climate control की चीज़ें हैं और जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए चीज़ें हैं, आप उनका भी पार्ट बन सकते हैं थ्रू इन्वायरमेंटल स्टीवर्डशिप एक्टिविटीज़. इसके अंदर प्लांटेशन ड्राइव हो सकती है, इसके अंदर पोल्यूशन को मिनिमाइज़ करने के लिए जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो हो सकती हैं, विच विल कीप यू इंगेज्ड, motivated, and help you draft your skills towards being someone who is not only responsible but also can be regarded as a good social worker. Now coming to the emotional side of your overall profile, emotional intelligence जो है वो एक again hot topic है आज के दिन का. और emotional intelligence is your ability to not only get on with others, not only understand the feelings of others, but also demonstrate your own feelings, what you want and what you desire. So emotional intelligence is as critical as intellectual brilliance. Intellectual brilliance comes from your academic and scholastic background and your experience into different practical fields, but emotional intelligence is as critical as again those skills as well, because if you're not emotionally stable, if you're not emotionally correct, how can you develop the ability to negotiate with others, to take the right decision, to get to the root of a problem and eradicate the problem so that it does not arise again. So आपकी जो अच्छी लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स हैं, उसके अंदर इंटेलेक्चुअली ब्रिलियंट होने के साथ साथ आपको इमोशनल और इंटेलिजेंस और इमोशनल वेलबींग भी चाहिए होती है. सो यू कैन टेक पार्ट इन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ एंड इंगेज विद डिफरेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट्स to get that sorted out, and they will help you get out of the shield that you've surrounded yourself with. It is a great activity for introverts and those people who do not have the ability, who think that they do not have the ability to get rid of the shackles that they've built around them, and it makes you sociable, it makes you an extrovert, और वो आपकी ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल के लिए बहुत आपको हेल्प आउट करती है. सो ओवरऑल अगर हम बात करें, द रोड मैप टू सक्सेस इज़ your overall profile. And to wind it all up, the profile building activities that you would engage yourself will be an important and significant and critical aspect in your admissions once you are thinking about top tier universities or gaining up to 100% scholarships. Edify Elite, we believe in a structured approach towards your profile building, where we start by an initial profile assessment, जहाँ पर हम आपसे एक profile assessment form जो है वो fill करवाते हैं. We also have a comprehensive psych form that we will get you filled, and this will help you not only provide an insight to us about your interests, about your past achievements, about your awareness, about your short-term and your long-term goals, about different emotional aspects of your overall personality, about what you like to do, what you don't like to do, and how do you perceive others to be, how do you perceive yourself to be, and what you would want to achieve in your near future. So, iske through we develop a roadmap through a flow chart which will help us in developing an individualized plan, where we will help you develop a well-rounded profile and enhance your journey ahead through enhancing your profile and adding those evidence-based things into your CV, which will help you get not only into top tier universities but also gain 100% scholarships. You would definitely see a lot of success stories of students who have benefited through profile building, and Edify Elite promises to play their integral part in that activity and in building a well-rounded profile for students and help them achieve their dreams. We've seen countless students get benefit from all of these skills and all of these activities and developing a good profile and get inducted into top tier universities. उम्मीद है कि ये वीडियो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी और इसके अंदर आपको इंसाइट्स मिली होंगी कि प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग के अंदर क्या क्या होता है और प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग कैसे आपको हेल्प करती है अपनी ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी को, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को, कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज़ को, आपकी सीवी को और आपके चांसेस को इन्हेंस करने में, ताकि आप अपनी ड्रीम यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर एडमिशन ले सकें और फ्री में अपनी एजुकेशन को आगे इन्हेंस कर सकें in some of the most developed countries around the globe. Thank you for attending this video, and stay tuned for some more videos which are on relevant topic. और last but not the least, अपने comment से भी हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आप कौन से topics को चाहते हैं कि हम cover करें, और हम इस तरह के और सारे topics के ऊपर और ज़्यादा videos बनाते रहेंगे. So till then, stay tuned and see you. Allah Hafiz.